So sorry for not being consistent with my posting. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And yes, the Athens, Greece trip videos are coming soon. I'm working on those. But y'all, I had to stop and grab my camera. Oh, and COVID got me too, in case you didn't know. Thanks for all your prayers and all of your just looking for me, looking for my content. I appreciate y'all. So here's the situation. I purchased this grout cleaner called Black Diamond on Amazon. I purchased several, but this is the first one to arrive. So I'm trying it at the front door of this house, y'all. Look at what my tenants left me. Look at those. That grout was white, y'all. That grout is supposed to be white. And as you see, it's black. Oh my God. Yeah. Cleanliness is next to godliness. That's all I'm going to say. But y'all, it said let it sit for 3 minutes and then agitate it. I also bought this grout brush with a long handle on it because y'all, I am too old to be on my hands and knees fooling with this grout. Y'all, can you see what this little grout cleaner is doing to this grout? Oh my God. Now y'all, I'm sitting in a chair agitating with this grout brush. Oh my God. Can you see? I cannot believe it. I cannot believe that this mess is actually working. This ain't no mess, y'all. This is the real deal. Okay. Look, y'all. So I'm probably going to have to do this one more time. But my God, today it is working. It is working. So shout out to Black Diamond Grout Cleaner and this long handled brush. Okay, y'all. So this is the finished product. After one application of that Black Diamond Grout Cleaner, y'all, I am so impressed. Now, I am going to run over this with just another reapplication of this Black Diamond Grout Cleaner. And I think we're going to be back to white. Yeah. Doesn't that look good compared to the before? I am so impressed. This is the fireplace hearth. You see? Now this I use Oxy White on first several weeks ago. And then I came back with that Black Diamond. So this has 2 applications on it. And that's a little spot from the fireplace. I just need to put some water on that and get that up. But y'all, this is giving. I'm going to run through this on the hearth of the fireplace one more time too. Whew. I think I'm going to be able to use this tile because I have the same towel in the master bath and in the second bathroom in this house. And so I think I'm going to be able to save this towel, which is going to save me some money. Thank God for God. Goodbye for now.